This is a really fun page. Think about your future. What's something that you hope you get to do someday? Where's a place you want to travel? And what do you want to be when you grow up? What's really fun about this page is that you can write about it, or you can put pictures, or you can do both. So if you want to write, there is a text box there. See how I have an arrow, 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 plus sign. It changes. That's because there's something under there. Click once. Once it turns blue around the outside, you're ready to type. So you can just write what you want to be when you grow up. Done. Okay, well, you can also make the font really big. You can change the color. Select the font. Let's make it 60. And let's make it orange and make the background black. So you can do that. Another thing you can do is put a picture or both. So I'm going to make this small again because I don't want to get rid of it. Maybe not that small. Now I'll make the text box a little smaller. I think I want to put a picture right here of what I want to be when I grow up. Now remember, to put a picture, you go to the mountains. There they are. I'm going to put a picture from the internet. And I'm going to search for, whoops, I'm going to search for artist. And then I will pick a picture, click once, and insert. And then place it. To resize the picture, hover with your mouse. So that means I'm putting the arrow, but I'm not clicking, not clicking, not clicking. Ooh, it changed. That is the symbol that means I can resize. Now I click and drag, and I can make the picture tiny or big. I hope someday I get to. So this can be anything you want to do. Do you want to go camping? Do you want to travel through space? Do you want to meet a robot? Something you want to do someday. Do you hope someday I get to play with Lego in class and build a giant roller coaster? Whatever you hope someday you get to do, you can type here. And then where's a place you want to travel? Do you want to travel to Australia or Thailand or Mexico or South America? You can write that down. If you want to put a picture here, you can. I'm going to resize my text box. Click away from it because otherwise, if I put in a picture now, it's going to delete this because this is selected. So I have to click somewhere else and then I can put in a picture from the web. Cool. Click once, insert, resize, and there we go. Definitely have fun. Change the fonts, change the colors if you want to also.